Hello, first graders. So this week's spelling rule is the long O sound. And so there are a few ways of writing that. And our first one that we're going to work with is O-A. So this normally comes in the middle of a word. So if you have a consonant vowel O-A pair, and this is called a vowel digraph, and then another consonant. So words that we would use the OA spelling would be boat, ode, and float, and many other words. So the OA spelling would be the spelling that would be in the middle of the word. So when you hear an O in the middle between two consonants, you would use OA. And our second spelling that we could use is OW. So this normally comes at the end of a word. So some examples would be grow or flow or row. Now there are a couple words that actually use the OE ending, but those are some tricky words. Just like you could have toe, like the toe on my foot, or like doe, a female deer. So those are some couple spellings. But this week we're going to be working with the OW, the OE, and the OA, which are all going to sound like the long O, like O. All right? Enjoy spelling.